All right, so here we go, y'all. Got a chicken wing in my hand. Don't be this guy. That guy right there. Don't be that guy. Oh, Kurt Juice Box having ass. Bringing it buggy by, working on it dirty and crap. Come on, man, clean your stuff. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another Tuesday. We got Kurt's buggy here. We're gonna put some LED whips on his RZR. So we went ahead and got the, they're working on the other side right now, so we know we're doing it. I'm getting the intro out the way. But to show you, got this little, got this clamp. Put a little bit of like velvet tape that the kit comes with on here. Put it on there, both sides. And then you go ahead and mount it, and then you run the electric. But we'll show you step by step here in a second. Stay tuned. All right, so here we go. We got Kurt's buggy. I'm going to go ahead and hook positive and negative up, negative to the negative, positive to the positive. And then we got the wires fished through, trying to keep them up out of the way of the seatbelt and all that stuff over there. Trying to keep them up out the way. And then we're going to do the same thing over here, fish it up by the cage and stuff, and fish it all the way up through the back to where it mounts to the light. Pretty simple install. No really explanation needed for the wiring. Hot, red to red, black to black, good to go. And then all the twists for the quick connects go on pretty easily. But yeah, we'll show you how to mount how we mounted it and where we mounted it, and we'll go from there. Okay, all right, so we got the passenger side ran, got all the wires hooked up for the battery, red, red, black, black, easy as that. Fished it up through here behind the roll cage and ran it along. So now what we'll go ahead and do is George will show you how to mount the actual bracket onto the cage, and then yeah, we'll go ahead and mount the tape. He got the tape in there for the roll cage. Goes around, keeps it from spinning throughout time, and then you're gonna go ahead and mount it with the drill. The brackets work pretty good. It's pretty simple. No big deal really. Get it lined up. Throw a couple threads on them so you don't strip them out. Got the first one. Got the second one. I do have to say, Polaris makes things a lot easier to work on than Can-Am does. Alright, tighten them down. Got the wrong bit. Give us a second. You gotta drop. There you go. So you gotta drop. Alright, here we go. Tighten it up. A little pro tip, what we did here is, since we're fishing this, it's a kind of a pretty good connector. We taped it to where it didn't get beat up during the fishing process. So what we'll do is, once we get the light mounted, we'll go ahead and untape it and mount it up, and it'll be just as good as new because we protected it. So now George will get the actual bracket where the light mounts. That's pretty straight. Really, the hardest part about this whole process was finding a way to run the wires to where it looks clean. Everything else was pretty simple. Plug it, mount it, done. Hook it up to your battery or your bus bar, or wherever you want to hook it up to. Got the American flag, America. Also makes it nice when you buy the right mounts. It fits in there pretty good even without a bolt on it, or a nut on it. Record. And that right there, folks, is pretty much it. Snapped in, hit the wire, untape it. Bring it in a little closer, check it out. As soon as we get it rocking and rolling, you want to make sure it only go on one way, so you want to make sure you do it the right way. Slide it through, then lock it down. Old George is taking his time making sure because you don't want to put it the wrong way and mess up your connector. There you go. All right, y'all. Check it out. We're in here partying now. Oh, snap. Just simple as that. All right, guys. If you got any questions on how to do this, shoot us a comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks y'all for watching. See you on the next one.